Ever pondered the possibility of a parallel universe where a different version of you exists, making different choices? Our universe, as vast and complex as it is, might just be a single bubble in a frothy sea of other universes, each unique, each a different reality. This is the concept of parallel universes, a theory that has ignited the imagination of scientists, philosophers, and dreamers alike. Throughout history, this idea has been the centerpiece of countless debates and discussions. From ancient philosophers contemplating the nature of reality, to modern physicists wrestling with the enigmas of quantum mechanics, the concept of parallel universes has been a recurring theme. Imagine a universe where the laws of physics are entirely different from ours, a place where gravity pushes instead of pulls, or where time flows backward, or perhaps a universe where history took a different turn, where Rome never fell, or where the dinosaurs still roam. The possibilities are as endless as the universes themselves. But this isn't just a flight of fancy. The theory of parallel universes has real tangible roots in the world of science. Some interpretations of quantum mechanics, the theory that describes the bizarre, counterintuitive world of the very small, suggest that our universe is just one of an infinite number of universes. In these other universes, every possible outcome of every event defines a new reality. The choices you didn't make in this universe, you made in another. The path not taken here was taken there. And in yet another universe, it's possible that you are pondering the existence of a parallel universe where you made the exact choices you did here. This concept of parallel universes is more than just a scientific theory. It's a testament to the human spirit of exploration and discovery. It's a reminder that there are always new frontiers to explore, new questions to ask, and new realities to uncover. So as we journey through this cosmos of possibilities, we find ourselves standing on the precipice of the unknown, staring into the abyss of the infinite. And as we delve deeper into this concept, we find instances that make us question our reality. Have you ever experienced an intense feeling of familiarity, as though you've lived through that moment before? This sensation, my friends, is known as déjà vu, a French term meaning already seen. It's as if time folds onto itself, and for a fleeting moment, we exist in two places at once. This phenomenon has puzzled scientists, psychologists, and philosophers for centuries, sparking numerous theories. Some argue it's a mere hiccup in our brain's memory system. According to Swiss researchers, déjà vu occurs when a new short-term memory gets accidentally stored in the long-term memory, so it feels as if it's happened before. Others suggest it's a result of our brain processing similar elements from past experiences, creating a sense of repetition. Think of it like your favorite song on repeat. You've heard it so many times, the lyrics seem to echo in your mind, even when the music has stopped. But what if it's not just a trick of the mind? What if déjà vu is evidence of a parallel universe? Tales and anecdotes abound of people who believe they've glimpsed moments from their parallel lives. They recount experiences so vivid and real, it's as if they've stepped into a mirror world, living an alternate reality. Imagine, for a moment, that we exist in a multiverse, a vast collection of parallel universes where countless versions of ourselves are living out different life scenarios. Could déjà vu be a brief intersection between these parallel realities? Could it be a momentary glitch in the matrix, allowing us to peer into another plane of existence? Of course, these are just theories, speculations in the grand mystery of our existence. Still, they invite us to question, to wonder, to imagine the unimaginable. Déjà vu remains an enigma, a captivating puzzle in the vast tableau of human experience. Could this strange sensation be a peek into another universe, or is it merely a trick of the mind? Perhaps the answer lies not in science or philosophy, but in the depths of our own perception, in the very fabric of our consciousness. Remember when Nelson Mandela died in prison in the 1980s? No, but there are thousands who do. Let's dive into a fascinating phenomenon known as the Mandela Effect. This term was coined by paranormal enthusiast Fiona Broome in 2010. It describes a collective misremembering of a fact or event, not due to lies or misinformation, but some kind of shift in our perception of reality. The Mandela Effect is named after the late South African leader, Nelson Mandela. Many people vividly remember Mandela dying in prison during the 1980s. However, in our reality, Mandela was released in 1990 and passed away in 2013. But it's not just about Mandela. The Mandela Effect spans across various aspects of our lives. It's in the misquoted lines from our favorite movies, like Star Wars iconic "Luke, I am your father," which is actually "No, I am your father." It's in the misplaced logos, like the non-existent monocle on the Monopoly Man. It's in the spelling of children's book characters, like the Berenstain Bears, which many recall as the Berenstein Bears. These aren't just simple mistakes, they're shared by a significant number of people who are absolutely certain about their memories. So, what's going on here? Some propose that the Mandela Effect is evidence of parallel universes. They suggest that these false memories are remnants from a timeline that has somehow overlapped with ours. It's a tantalizing theory, isn't it? A notion that we're brushing up against other realities where things happen just a bit differently. On the other hand, psychologists suggest a more mundane explanation. They argue that these discrepancies are likely due to common memory errors and social misinformation. The human brain, though remarkable, is not infallible. It's prone to suggestibility, misinformation, and the simple fading of time. So what do you think? Are these discrepancies proof of our universe colliding with another? Or are they simply examples of flawed human memory? What if I told you that a particle can exist in multiple states at once and instantly affect another particle, no matter the distance? Welcome to the world of quantum physics, where the rules of classical physics are thrown out the window, and particles behave in ways that seem to defy logic. One such behavior is known as quantum superposition. This principle allows particles to be in multiple states at the same time. Imagine a coin that's simultaneously heads and tails until you look at it. That's quantum superposition. It's as if reality doesn't settle down until it's observed. Now let's take a step further into the quantum realm with a concept known as quantum entanglement. This is a strange phenomenon where two particles become intimately linked and instantaneously respond to changes in each other's state, regardless of the distance separating them. It's like if you had two dice, rolled them, and no matter how far apart they were, they always landed on the same number. That's quantum entanglement. To illustrate these concepts, let's bring in the famous Schrödinger's cat thought experiment. In this thought experiment, a cat in a box is both alive and dead until someone opens the box and observes the cat. This is quantum superposition. Now, imagine a second box with another cat miles away. The moment the first box is opened, the second cat's state is instantly determined. That's quantum entanglement. These quantum phenomena might sound like the stuff of science fiction, but they are real, and they have been experimentally confirmed. And they raise fascinating questions about the nature of reality. Could it be that our universe is just one of many, each with its own reality, each unfolding in its own way, and each connected through these quantum threads? Could these quantum phenomena be the scientific proof we need for the existence of parallel universes? That's a question that continues to captivate scientists and lay people alike. And as we delve deeper into the quantum realm, who knows what we'll discover next? As we've traversed through these instances, we've been compelled to question our understanding of reality. From the inexplicable sensation of déjà vu to the baffling Mandela Effect, we've journeyed through concepts that have stirred our curiosity and shaken our comprehension of the universe. Each instance has been a step toward challenging the conventional, a nudge to look beyond what we deem as the absolute. The déjà vu phenomenon, an uncanny feeling of having experienced a present situation in the past, has long perplexed scientists and common folk alike. Is it a mere glitch in our memory? Or is it a glimpse into an alternate reality, a parallel universe perhaps? Then, we delved into the Mandela Effect, a collective misremembering of facts or events. Named after the inexplicable common false memory of Nelson Mandela's death in prison in the 1980s, it has sparked debates about whether such collective instances are evidence of parallel universes. We also ventured into the quantum realm, exploring the enigmatic principles of quantum entanglement and superposition. These principles suggest that particles can be in two places at once and can affect each other instantaneously, regardless of the distance between them. Could these principles be the bridge to understanding the existence of parallel universes? All these instances have led us to question the nature of our reality. They've made us ponder the possibility of multiple realities existing simultaneously. They've ignited discussions, debates, and research as we strive to understand the true nature of our universe. Our understanding of the universe is constantly evolving. Each discovery, each new theory broadens our perspective, pushing us to reimagine our universe. We've come a long way from believing the Earth to be the center of the universe to considering the possibility of multiverses. So, as we continue to explore the cosmos, we must ask ourselves, are we alone in our universe, or are we just one of many in a grand multiverse?